So today I'm going to show you how to make your own lip balm, and I've got all the supplies here, so I'll just show you what I have. From the craft store, I just got this base. It just comes in a plastic tub like this, and so it's just the lip balm base. And then I bought some coloring, and they're just two little containers of a pink and a peach color that you don't have to add, but you can add to your lip balm. And then the last thing, I bought some fragrance, and so these just come in a little package. There are two of them. I got the mango coconut fragrance, so we'll see how that works. And then I also have some little tins. You can buy these sometimes at the dollar store or the craft store, just these little metal tins, and that's what I'm going to put my lip balm in when it's finished. So here we'll just scoop out some. I've got a glass container here that's microwave safe, so we're going to just start with this little amount. I'm going to microwave it for about 20 to 25 seconds, and then I'll be back to show you how to add the coloring and the fragrance. I heated this up for, I heated it for 30 seconds and then 10-second intervals after that, and I did that 4 times. So, and just stirred in between. But you want to be careful because you don't want to burn yourself, and you don't want to cook it too fast. It's kind of like melting butter. So as soon as I took it out, I added just a couple of pinches of this pink colorant. And now I'm going to add, and you've got to work quick because this dries really quickly, a few drops, not too much, of this mango flavoring. And then I've got my little tin here, and I'm just going to fill it up like so. So I think these just make nice little hostess gifts or something like that. You could decorate the tins if you wanted to. And I think people would really appreciate this. So hopefully you'll go to my website, yarnscissorssilk.com, for more tips, tricks, and ideas.